Hi people, how we doing? Welcome to another vlog. Ignore this look. It's just the quarantine thing, this whole lockdown thing. Nobody has time to be dressing up and be looking extra. Well, you guys get the drift. Yeah, sad news. My camera spot, my vlogging camera spot, I'll show you guys when I get back. But today is the end of partial lockdown in Ogun State. What that means, I said in my previous vlog, so like every 48 hours we're allowed to go out, go to the market and stuff. But with the crazy increasing numbers of corona in Nigeria, the state government has decided that there is no more partial lockdown. Like, everybody stay in your house. So the next 14 days is total lockdown. But right now I'm rushing to the market. I want to go and get food stuff that will last me for at least the next 14 days. Basically things I can't get in my neighborhood. So like things I can get in my neighborhood are like okra, pepper, vegetable, fish, chicken, but like some other things like cucumbers, cabbage, and the rest I have to get in the local market or in the main market. So that's where I'm going to right now. And when I come back, I'm going to show you guys. But first, I need to make a list.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that shit.
Hello, ma.
25.
Bó ṣì máa gba bíi 22.
24 kọ́ lẹ́ra lọ́jọ́ yẹn.
Àròbọ̀ bíi 2 lọ.
Tó tún tóbi sí tí ì ṣe pé mi. Ẹ mọ̀ pé yàtọ̀ sí tilẹ̀. Ẹyin kan ti tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn náà ni. Ẹ̀rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kó tún ti tóbi jù tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ. Ara ti tẹ́lẹ̀ sí mi ìṣàkóso náà. Wọ́n ń jẹun sí náà.
Ẹ máa sọ lápá ni.
Wọ́n ń jẹun sí ni. Ẹ̀rí pé wọ́n tún ti chop up ju ti ẹ̀yin lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ o. Tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ.
It's been quite a journey so far. Being at home for so long. We had this, I'm going to talk about it when I get home, but we had this meeting where one of my ogas was talking about trying to be happy, intentionally happy in a season like this when everything around you is just bad news and negative news and all of that. So I'm going to the market with mommy. Mama is a darling. By the way, guys, we went to Ofada real quick to get chicken. Like, the chicken is big, I'll show you guys. Yeah, the market is full. Let me stop and show you guys. Okay. So we won't go like into the market. We'll just like get some essentials at the outskirts of the market because of what is happening in the world. Yeah. Everywhere cabbage. Yeah. Shonda àkọsílẹ̀ ní àbáwọn tó ń jó táyà. Kí ló pè? Kí ló pè? Àpò ìmìntì tí kò kú mọ́. Lemon ni mo fẹ́ rántí látàárọ̀. I've been trying to remember lemon all morning.
They are 150 for eh? I'll see them. Hello. I want to make it with that. This one is dry, that one is wet. They stay for longer time. Yeah. Which one do you want to buy? What's this one?
Ele fún mi ní go to fine.
Measurement ẹyọ kan. Tí máa wá gbé fẹ́yìn náà kò wá wúlò fẹ́yìn kan, ó máa dà. Ó yẹ ta ẹ tọ́ máa wá fẹ́ nìsín tó máa fi. Lọ́dẹ tí náà bọ̀ lẹ̀. A ní mọ́ bí ẹ bá wá fi. Ojú owó yín náà ẹ máa gbé mi. Ẹ ṣe jàre, God bless you, àtàgbé.
Ooh. So I got back from the market a while back, and I want to quickly film a video that is the haul for the stuff that I bought, just to, you guys will see the whole thing later. So I'm like documenting the journey, but I'm not releasing any of these videos until like later. I just want you guys to see, you know, some of the things that I got whenever the video comes out. So I'm just recording the haul, showing some of the stuff I bought, why I bought them, and food stuff like that and stuff like that. Immediately I got back from the market, I had my bath, because you know Igboro raining, so you have to be very careful in this situation that we're in. So I had my bath. I just said, you know what, let me just show you guys some of the things I bought, because I bought quite a lot of stuff. Hopefully it should last me 2 weeks to a month. It even last me a month, because at the moment I'm doing if I've been on and off if, but starting from like soon I'm going to be I'm going to be on if fully. That is intermittent fasting. So I will just have like lunch and dinner. Since breakfast is out of it, I can save myself some money, and I'm going to come up with the whole timetable. I'm going to do videos about it, but I just want to quickly do a haul of some of the things I got. I also didn't get some food stuff because I can get them in my area. Now that I have briefed you guys, let me start filming my whole video. I just quickly did small makeup. This is the most out. Can you guys see my brows are bushy safe? My brows need the hand of the Lord, and then this thing needs to go back to whoever sent it, because I'm done. I need to start filming content, and baby girl has to look good. I've not worn this cap in years. Like last time I wore it was I think 2018, which I used for a video, and I think I took a picture. Yeah, that video. Yeah. So let's quickly film this video and I'll come back.
I got this passion, and it's burning deep inside of me. And this time, no, not gonna settle for anything less. Craving a life that I've never known. And now is the time to find the love that I've always
I'm done recording the video. Let me show you guys my setup. Yep. So I'm done recording the video. I'm going to prepare dinner for everybody. I'm not sure what I'm going to eat. I'm just going to try and put things where they belong. Just try and organize some of the things that I bought. Whatever needs to go in the fridge will go in the fridge. I'm also going to try and spice up the chicken so it can marinate for a while. zen. Yeah, I washed my hair. So tomorrow Damie is going to help me make it into like all back. She's super excited about pleating my hair. What I didn't tell you guys is while she was actually preparing for her jam and everything, she went to learn hairdressing for a while. So she practices with our hair, and I mean there's a lot of time. I have hair on my head, so why not just practice as much as you need to and get me looking okay. Do you guys remember this earring from my vlog? If you didn't see the vlog, go check it out. So I got this earring, a set of 6 for 1,000 naira, and I think it looks okay. It looks, no, I'm used to big loop earrings, but this looks okay. I think if I do my hair it will pop more. Yeah, I think that's about it. I've been vlogging more, which is cool. I don't think my phone camera is that bad. It's not bad. It's good. Because I was like, oh my god, how is it gonna be? I've been creating content with my vlogging camera. The quality is amazing and everything. But I think so far so good. It looks okay. What else? Yeah, we already done painting. I'll do a separate vlog explaining all of that. But done painting. We've set up the room. We just want to organize a few more things. The window is done. The only thing left now is blinds, but lockdown and everything, I'm not sure we can get somebody to do blinds. But in between blinds and curtains before, but considering the space that we have, it's just easy to go with blinds, so we'll be getting blinds done. Yeah, I couldn't get psyllium husk. I would have shown that in my vlog. It was on my list to get psyllium husk, but I couldn't get it, so I'll probably order that from Jumia. Yeah, that's about it. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you found it, if you enjoyed it, or I don't know if you learned something new. I mean, I went to Ofada. I showed you guys Ofada in the vlog. Some people don't know that Ofada is a place. So Ofada is a place in Ogun State. It's in Obafemi local government, which is where I am, which is where I stay. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this vlog. Please like, share, subscribe, drop me a comment down below, and I would love to hear from you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but I was exposed